Pink.
What?
Pink car.
I've never seen that color first.
Yeah, it's really bright. And I have a green car. Yeah. I guess they're like bright colors.
There's one of those trees that I was going.
Yeah. I don't know if they're a bonsai or what.
I know, because usually the bonsai are smaller, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe it's another type of theirs.
I saw this one from last night. It doesn't look great. Are these hot? No.
No.
Mm.
If it's blue under here, it means cold.
These
Red
are
means
hot.
hot. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get one of these guys. I'm gonna get one of these boys. Oh, these don't work? These are fives, right?
Yeah.
10.
No.
Oh, it doesn't take
Only
it.
it's
Okay.
yeah.
That's interesting. Why is that?
Because I don't want small change.
I beat it.
So you take your drink.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's good. With coffee.
Is this place an actual graveyard or just where they make the headstones? Oh,
It is a graveyard.
yeah, I think so.
So, people mostly just cremated and then
Yeah.
so it's pretty much like a shrine for the urn.
Yeah. And sometimes people have a shrine in their house too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, did they ever bury or they always cremate?
I think they always cremate. Yeah.
You guys want to go to Family Mart?
Yeah. Yeah.
All the cats.
They're cute. They're crazy.
This is crazy Airbnb.
Yeah.
I said they are crazy.
We're all messed up.
Yeah. They're from the streets.
Yeah, it's like the island of misfit toys. What?
They could be.
I think we went that way last time. We did, because this is where he yelled at me for going too far right.
I didn't yell at you. Yeah.
What did you do today? Castle?
Oh yeah. Pardon?
You seen the castle a long way down?
No, it's a historical street. Okay.
Not coming.
Yeah. It's nice.
I also feel better than yesterday.
Okay, good.
That's good.
You sound terrible though.
Do I?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not terrible.
Okay. Maybe you're just trying to convince all of us that you're doing better than
No,
me.
I'm doing good.
Okay.
I'm stuffy.
Where's family bar?
Family mat.
Mato.
It's gonna be on our right at some point. It's near the station. He's like a rice baller.
Oh, look at the clouds hanging down low over the mountain there.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
I kind of want a picture of that.
Yeah?
Let's go that way.
Okay.
Hang a right.
Yeah, it's neat.
Please.
Come on, I don't want to. Let's do this.
Oh yeah, I remember that sunflower thing. School or something. Oh, that's really nice.
Well, this is the train tracks that we. Wow, this is beautiful.
Wow. Am I on your way?
I'm gonna freak that guy out.
What fruit is that?
Maybe yuzu or persimmon.
Like an Animal Crossing.
Yeah.
Have you ever eaten one of those?
Yeah.
Is it gross?
I don't really like it, but wow. Ohayou gozaimasu. こんにちは。え？すいません。
どっから来た？
どこ？
国は？
行く？
国はどこ来た？
東京。
東京。
うん。カナダ人です。カナダ人です。私たちは。綺麗な。すごい綺麗。
まだ釣りだよ。
うん。
釣りだまだまだ。いつも取ってるけど釣りだよ。
うん？
釣りだよ。釣りだよ。夕焼け。
おー。
見えねえな。
あ、すごい空。すごいな空。
釣りだよ。
はい。
暇だからよ。
あ、花。
散歩が悪いね。いつもこうやって。釣りだよ。
綺麗。
暇だからよ。パンに鳥がいる。これ違うけど。
綺麗。綺麗、緑すごい。
これは宮野だ。
はい。オッケーオッケー。
オッケーオッケーって。これは猿かってや。
おお、すごい。すごい。
すごい。綺麗だよ。だけど万能よ。こずぐの鳥がこの釣りなんだ。
綺麗。あそこに。この山は。
この山あそこよ。
ああ。すごいわ。
ちょうどいつがちょうどいい時取れたりはこうなるんだ。面白いよ。
うん、面白いです。I'm gonna take it.
どこいるんだ。
Go?
こいつが。
中町小店。
ああ、苦しい。苦しい。
面白いですか？
うん。もみず。あそこにいたら。これもうすぐだよ。
文字はありますか？もみじ？
お水混ぜる長野のもみずってや。
Okay.
今言ったらそうだな、長野のもみずだ。
Good?
Yeah.
Or anything?
Yeah.
What are you guys talking about?
He like takes all these photos that he had that he's taken of these mountains, and they're so beautiful, like the sunrise and sunset.
That's it. I actually went looking last night before I pass out.
Yeah.
Is like there's quite a lot of hiking trails and like beauty spots and waterfalls up in the hills here.
Right.
Yeah. But it's like there's no like actual way to get really that close to it. So it'd be a lot.
Yeah, you have to
long
hike.
walking. Yeah, well, call it that.
Okay.
Let's
go to the station.
Family Mart.
Yeah, dragonflies. Yeah, let's go.
Guess all this in the dark, but yeah, quite nice and open here.
I'm not listening to you.
Yeah, it's listening.
I do. I don't know if it's run down spots. Like it's well used.
I got a notification from Pokemon Go and it was in Japanese.
You got a what?
A notification
Oh.
from Pokemon Go and they put it in Japanese instead of English.
Oh, weird.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
What?
The daycare?
I think so, yeah.
It's pretty big.
Yeah. Preschool or something?
I was reading an article about how a lot of the places like this where they're in rural nowhere, there's like hardly any kids.
Yeah,
Old people.
it's all old people.
Yeah, all the kids are in the city.
Yeah, they move away and they grow up.
But even like kids being born,
Yeah.
it's just like they were saying like some places they just shut down the
Yeah.
elementary schools and everything.
Yeah.
There's like 2 kids in the whole
Yeah.
class.
It's sad.
Yeah.
And they don't get the bus or train out there because there's no service anymore. And
Yeah.
like,
Headlight. Oh, that'd be good.
Josh talking about cars again. Josh talking about cars again.
I didn't see any other stray cats. I guess they just all live there.
Yeah, they know where to go.
So is this a big store here? It looks like it when we were walking.
Yeah.
I can see through here. It's kind of amazing. Yeah. I gotta take a picture of that white Civic. I like the white on white. Someone back in there. Noe? How'd you say that?
Ichinoe?
Noe?
Yeah, you don't say the H very hard, I don't think. What's this?
Yeah, so this is the thing I was saying, like,
Yeah.
like a big store.
You guys want to go in the grocery store instead?
Oh, it's the grocery store?
Probably find some better stuff. It looks fun.
Yeah.
Should we try? Or should we just keep going?
I don't know.
Landmarks just over here, so. Yeah. No, it's one street over.
When we went to yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, look at those radishes. Hold on, I want to take a picture of the radishes.
Oh, there they have fresh fruits and vegetables. It's like you ate them right away.
Yeah.